Welcome to Master Mathematics Minutes. Today's topic is about simplifying numbers in standard form. And we'll cover a couple examples on how to simplify numbers in standard form. And we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, how do we simplify numbers in standard form? Recall, the definition of a standard form is where we can write numbers as a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where n is a positive or negative integer, and a is greater than or equals to 1 or less than 10. So, we can simplify numbers in standard form. Firstly, if we're adding two numbers in standard form, we'll first add the numbers and then convert that into standard form as c times 10 to the power of p. Similarly, if we're subtracting two numbers in standard form, we will first subtract the number and then convert that into standard form as d times 10 to the power of q. If we're multiplying two numbers in standard form, we'll group a and b as ab and 10 to the power of n multiplied by 10 to the power of m as 10 to the power of n plus m. And finally, if we're dividing two numbers in standard form, we'll group a and b as a over b and 10 to the power of n divided by 10 to the power of m as 10 to the power of n minus m. In the first example, we're asked to simplify 7.25 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 2.4 times 10 to the power of minus 3, and we want the answers in standard form. So, the first term is 725 plus the second term is 0.0024, and that is equals to 725.0024, and that is equals to 7.250024 times 10 to the power of 2. So this term is between 1 and 10, and 2 is a positive integer, so that is in standard form as required. In the second example, we're asked to simplify 4.1 times 10 to the power of 3 minus 5.3 times 10 to the power of minus 2, and we want the answers in standard form. So the first term is 4,100 minus the second term as 0.053, and that is equals to 4099.947, and that is equals to 4.099947 times 10 to the power of 3. So this term is between 1 and 10, and 3 is a positive integer, and so that is in standard form as required. In the third example, we're asked to simplify 8.6 times 10 to the power of 8 times 1.5 times 10 to the power of minus 7, and we want the answers in standard form. So we will group 8.6 times 1.5 as this term here, and we'll group 10 to the power of 8 times 10 to the power of minus 7 as 10 to the power of 8 minus 7, and that is equals to 12.9 times 10. So 12.9 is equals to 1.29 times 10, and that is equals to 1.29 times 10 to the power of 2. So 1.29 is between 1 and 10, and 2 is a positive integer, so that is in standard form as required. In the fourth example, we're asked to simplify 7.5 times 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 1.25 times 10 to the power of 4, and we want the answers in standard form. And so we will group 7.5 divided by 1.25, and that is equals to 7.5 over 1.25. We will group 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 10 to the power of 4, and that is equals to 10 to the power of minus 7 minus 4, because we're dividing here. So 7.5 over 1.25 is 6, and minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. So 6 is between 1 and 10, and minus 11 is a negative integer, so that is in standard form as required. To summarize, recall the definition of standard form is where we can write numbers as a times 10 to the power of n, where n is a positive or negative integer, and a is greater than or equals to 1 or less than 10. We can simplify numbers in standard form. Firstly, if we're adding two numbers in standard form, we'll first add the number and then convert that into standard form as c times 10 to the power of p. If we're subtracting two numbers in standard form, we will first subtract the number and then convert that into standard form as d times 10 to the power of q. When we're multiplying two numbers in standard form, we will first group a and b as ab, and 10 to the n times 10 to the power of m as 10 to the power of n plus m. And finally, when we're dividing two numbers in standard form, we'll group a divided by b as a over b, and 10 to the power of n divided by 10 to the power of m as 10 to the power of n minus m. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics in Minutes.